Let's go. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. Out.
Hey y'all, I'm back again with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how I did these Gucci inspired nails. And right now I'm just picking out which nail tips fit my finger, and these are some clear nail tips I got from the nail supply store. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to figure out which size to put on my finger, and sometimes I have the hardest time with this part and gluing them on, so bear with me. So my nails had grew out a lot, so I'm just clipping them, and then I'm going to push back my cuticles a little bit just to make sure I have a little bit more space around the cuticle area, duh. And once I do that, I'm going to glue the tips on and try to shape them. So I guess just keep on watching. Oh yeah, I'm using KDS glue. I'm using the IBD dehydrator and some random acrylic primer that was at the nail supply store as well. The cuticle pusher came from Walmart, by the way. And yeah, the nail clippers came from AliExpress, but you can find them in Target or anything. They're just straight nail clippers, like straight edge nail clippers. Oh yeah, and the tip clipper came from Walmart. I think it was the Kiss brand. Yeah, I think it was like $3, y'all. Super cheap, y'all. Get with it. y'all, so I'm trying to lay this acrylic down. I'm using the Cover Nude from Mia Secret white acrylic. I tried to do ombre, didn't work. And some random clear acrylic, y'all. I really, really, really like this nude. I bought a nude from Glitz and Glam, and it just was not working out for me. It was a waste of money. And the Mia Secret acrylics came from eBay, BTW. And y'all, I just want to take a minute to look at this nail, y'all. Look at that nail. Look at it. It looks good. Yeah, if I showed y'all what my nails look like when I tried, and I've been trying since April, y'all. If I would have showed y'all what they look like, they looked a hot mess. But anyway, that brush also came from, it's a number 6, I believe. It came from eBay, and so did the Mia Secret monoburn. So I don't know why this video's acting really laggy right now, but y'all just keep on watching. Look at the final product, period poo. Alright, y'all, so these are my nails after I finished laying the acrylic before filing them. They're really lumpy. I bought an $8 nail drill from AliExpress, and it broke on me, so I've been having to use my hand file. And then I have some random gel top coat from eBay. It was $5. And then a lamp that was about $12 at Walmart. So super on a budget, beginner friendly, extremely beginner friendly. And I'm just gonna put a top coat on all of my nails before I put the diamonds on. And I do advise you to use nail glue rather than curing it with this gel, because they do tend to fall off sometimes. I don't know if it needs a thicker coat or what, but it does fall off, so keep that in mind. And also, y'all, the nail gems I bought were from AliExpress. Y'all, it was like $2 for a 2-pack, y'all. But look at this, look at that, baby. If y'all would have seen what I've come from, yo, I need to include some pictures or clips or something. I came up for real. But yeah, these came from AliExpress. So did the ones on the floor, if you can notice them on the left. But yeah, y'all, AliExpress, don't sleep on them. It may take a minute, but don't sleep. And those nail stickers came from AliExpress as well. So I wasn't quite sure what design I was actually going to go with. I thought I was going to do the Versace ones, or I have no clue. But I like the green and the blue. Green and blue. The green and the red diamonds on nude. So I just said, hey, that reminds me of Gucci. So just do the Gucci, baby. And I had a Gucci headband, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. But yeah, y'all, these are what the nails are looking like. Tell me these are not fire. For a beginner, tell me these are not fire with no drill, baby. No drill. Do you hear me? Giving me life. But y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. You guys have a blessed day and stay positive and motivated, please.